This week, Ernie invited me out to broaden his students' ideas of performance and acting in order to help them with their upcoming fiction projects. So some of the games that we've played this week have been exploring gesture, emotions behind the words you're saying. One of the exercises requires the students to maintain eye contact for up to 30 seconds and not laugh. So this has been a wonderful exploration for them to introduce a new level of honesty and authenticity with their performances that I think they haven't explored before this. Programs like Filmmakers Without Borders are so important because I think every school needs to have the arts. The arts can be the most enriching, healing thing to your lives, and so they're going to make a movie, and that's the most exciting thing.